Thank you so much, the Joy Jammers. I've been playing.
It's three. Eggs. Eggs with three.
No, I'm not.
Alright. Easy. Sa mga nagdaan na performers na intermission natin, kanino ka mas, sino yung mas umangat sa'yo? Mas napaangat? Ako sa
CEC, tapos ito.
Yeah.
But of course, the CEC and the Dance Others.
And of course, lahat po ay magaling and lahat po ay nag-stand out sa kanilang mga intermission. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga nag-perform for tonight.
Of course, kasama si Miss Ruby Iglesias, not Ruby Rodriguez.
Okay, at this point, before we go to our last segment of the competition, we would like again to acknowledge all the sponsors for tonight. Once again, thank you so much to Ms. Laarni Kentisler of Jazz Mariage, Apple Garcia, Harriet Espiritu of Hair Treatment, Siasi Huma, Jen Sunga of Paluto kay Jen, Totong Yeyeng Minimart, Olivia Ponsalan, Tay de la Cruz, Salome Garcia, Nikki Buan of Taporpot Videograph, Shan Chavez and SJ Events, Ron Pineda of Trouble and Tours, Jemelyn Castillo, Sandigan Association, Terry Taya, Liz Levity, Willie Leiva, Eva Bautista, Azil Tuazon, Lori Bacuyo, and Noel Shera.
Next we have Filipina Beauty and Aesthetic by Maricel Baron, Miss Evangeline Cabuang, Facial Express by Kyle Lisset, Mrs. Mildred Marquez, Miss Mel Bulacan, Miss Olive Muya, Miss Melba Durante Robles, Miss Joanna Chua, Dajo Paris, Attitude Shutterbug, SP Beautician by Esperanza Manalastas, Militsky Kasilihan, Fetao of France Elders Triskelion and Alumni Organization, Miss Lisel Tumol, Kusina ni Aling Aileen. The Perfect Touch Aesthetic by Jen Martin, Von Morales Buyage, Delphin Yam Beauty Products and Cosmetics, Michael Lee Photography, Joy Dalisay, of Limon Hair Nail Lash, Nails and BJ Lee, Maricar Vincunato, Trisha Domingo of I Am Worldwide, Cheryl Theo Rabago, Apple Paromales, and last but not the least, Burnels by Bernadette Ismerio.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of the Binibining Pink Paris Philippines 2025 organizers and committee for tonight, maraming salamat po. Thank you all for your generosity. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sponsors for tonight.
And we would like to announce, of course, yung car po, yung kotse na nakaharang, yung hindi yan.
Wala nang gulo!
It starts with HB, H something,
Kahit
may lalabas daw po.
nakita ko yun.
Yung driver ng car na Kia,
Wala nang side mirror!
lalabas daw po si Salty po.
Virgin ang
So while we are waiting to all our 10 lovely candidates for the last segment of the competition, ladies and gentlemen, easy. In the first segment, which is the production number, there is a criteria for that.
Yes.
And with a total of 100%, of course. And the second one
The
is
streetwear.
the streetwear, and the third one is the casual wear,
And the streetwear.
and the swimwear, and the evening gown.
Yes.
For the, I think 20% for the each segment ay kukunin ng ating para makakuha tayo ng top 5.
Yes.
Clear lang po natin, no? In every segment po, there is a criteria for judging. And each criteria for judging is a sum up po natin yon to get each 20% of the segment. So we have 5 segments. So 20% each to make it, and a total of 100% to make it to the top 5 finalists.
So good luck, ladies.
Audience pa!
Yung audience impact kasali po yun sa bawat segment.
Yes, the audience 10%. Yes, there is a 10% for the total audience impact in every segment.
Yes.
Sayang ang basta eh!
So, hataan pa natin easy. While we're waiting again for the candidates,
Sayang ang boses! Andito buong pamilya!
Yung kotse po, pakilabas. May nakaharap, may gustong lumabas.
Nanay nga, nandito.
of course, easy, let's give thanks to our official sound system for tonight. Sir, maraming salamat po sa inyong team. And of course,
Mr.
our
Hiner,
official, yes, Mr. Hiner, thank you.
And the
And of course, to our official photographer for tonight,
Mr. Ronald Caligagan of Attitude Shutterbug. And our official videographer, Mr. Nicky Buan
Okay.
of Port Paris.
thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga official partners for tonight.
Yes, and
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are now in the most anticipated segment of the competition. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about time for the ladies to flaunt themselves on stage, but this time wearing their elegant and beautiful evening gowns. In the segment of the competition, always remember, it's not about the color of the gown. It's not about how sparkling it is, nor who's the designer who made it. What matters most is that how the candidate present herself on stage with full of confidence, proper posture, and pleasing aura that makes herself a true masterpiece. Ladies and gentlemen, feeling another percentage in the total criteria for judging. This is Binibining Paris Philippines 2025 The Evening Gown Competition.
Yan, lumala mo ka, hindi ka makakasigaw. Ano may sabi?
To begin with, candidate Binibini number 1. Binibini 1.
Take it as a compliment that I got from you.
Breathtaking creation by renowned Filipina actress and designer Regine Tolentino. She wears a stunning crimson red evening gown that exudes elegance and power. The strapless sweetheart's neckline is adorned with intricate floral appliques and shimmering embellishments, adding both textures and sparkles. The heated silhouette flows gracefully into a soft mermaid plate, accentuated by a tawny tie-dye sleeve, perfectly balancing sophistication and boldness. And the gowns reveals a dramatic illusion pack with delicate bottom detailing, offering a touch and sensuality while keeping the look refined. And with every step, the glittering details catch the light, showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship behind this show-stopping design. Once again, Binibini 1.
Binibini number 2 is Arvin Palasa. A volcanic masterpiece. This gown is a breathtaking embodiment of a volcanic eruption, channeling both nature's fury and its beauty. Its gradient of deep crimson, berry orange, and smoldering molds across the center, line molten lava, commanding attention with every movement. Figures and crystal embellishments ignite the surface, capturing the sparkle of colors and the glow of volcanic rock. With deeper eyes, a luminous texture transforming down into a living flame. More than an exquisite garment, this creation is a wearable work of art, a testament to resilience, strength, and elegance. Like the Philippines, it celebrates, it stands unyielding, yet grateful, embodying the fire that endures within. Designers Alvin Nobel and Randy Iko. Candidate number 2, Alvin Patasa. Candidate number 3 is Yelena Lay Leon.
Was designed and styled by Mr. Gino Miranda Maestrado, which means the billion fold. A silver gown which composed of billion beads and crystals that symbolize the hope and dream of 105.8 million Filipinos in the land and the overseas who works hard to improve themselves and still hoping to see and dreaming sa isang maunlad na bansa. The silver color of the gown entitles the young and struggles and catastrophe of the life of a Filipino, wishing that there is still hope of a silver lining pathway that guides and enlightens their way to shine. Wishing for a brighter future, which always included in every prayer and hope of every Filipino individual. Once again, Pinibini